Hi guys, this is Omar. In this video, I will be showing you how I'm going to be installing this red strip on the side of my tire, of my rim. Uh, I should have actually made a video about me installing this red strip, but it's actually pretty easy. Like pretty much all I did, I used the same kind. It's this, you can find it. I found it at AutoZone. Uh, you can see here, I just put it from here and all the way to here. There is a little trick to it. I'm gonna share it with you right now. Um, so you see how it's actually not really on the side, it's more to like up. So I tried first to put it like exactly where the line should be, like, you know, the corner. But when you do it like this, it's barely visible. So all you need to do is like you push it a little up and you stick it like this. So I did it on the side, and let me show you side and on the back. This one looks really nice here. And yeah, you might be wondering how I did it like this, like how did I like curve it. So the trick is you cut it, like you literally have to cut the tape. I don't know if you can see that here. That's like two pieces. So you cut it and you do the same thing all around, and it's gonna look nice. So anyway, in this video I'll be doing it on the side of the tire. So I'm going to be doing one tire, and I'll assume you guys know how to do the rest of them, so to make it short. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the tape after I took it out of the box. I took a piece of it using a scissor. This is just for tasting. I'm gonna try see if I can get it how I want it. So let me see if I can open it. I'm gonna try open it from this side. Like that, I think. Should be alright. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put not like one big piece. I'll be doing like piece here, here, here. Even though there's gonna be some black in the middle, I think it's gonna still look really nice. And you might be wondering why I still have like some black spot. This video has been recorded right after the plastic dip video, so that should answer the question. So after I thought about it, I think I can make it in one piece. I'm gonna try. I'll try to cover the whole thing using one piece, not multiple pieces. If that doesn't work, I will go back to my initial plan, which is just putting multiple pieces. Okay, so inside of the curve, I'm just gonna put more in. So like that. Here we go. Okay, that didn't work. I'm gonna put more in. That didn't work well. don't know, man. I might need to cut it later over here or do some. That's not good. I don't know, I might fix it later. We'll see. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing if it's down there. Even I can see it well. I'm feeling I need to start from here again and go all the way down here. Something like that. Because that's so hard. Yeah, I think it can be done better, but this is what I could do for now. Okay, so here how it turned out after I did all the rest of the tires. So nice. I also thought about adding this. I added this later. This red line here. I had that at the bottom already, but now I just added that. And I think it looked better. So anyway, here are all the tires. Here's the line, all that. So let me share with you a very good technique for you to stick the tapes. So there are two advices actually here. So first, you saw me earlier struggling to put the tape at the bottom of the tire. So all I did is I just put tape on the top, and then I put the tape on the top half on this tire, that tire, and the other two. Then I drove like half a circle, and then I put tape again on the top. This is a fantastic technique for you to do it at Ace, to be very comfortable sticking it on. So another thing, when you stick the tape, there's gonna be like holes in here and it's gonna be loose. So all you need to do is make a little hole and stick it, and it's gonna stick easily. And I did this here on all the sides. I made like a little hole, and it looks nice. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.